It's another day of Vlogust, and today I am bringing you an update of my shade planter. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am bringing you an update of my shade planter. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and gardening and health and beauty, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link some of my favorite gardening and housekeeping solutions. Okay, so let's take a look at the planter. Look at how nicely that grew up. I am just really pleased with this whole arrangement. This chocolate man begonia is just amazing. I've never used it before, but I really like the way the leaves just really provide a showstopper in this arrangement. And then these are the sweet little flowers that come with that. You see that coleus peeking out from the background. And then look at this grass. It's just beautiful. And look at the little red feathers on the grass. It just perfectly complements this whole arrangement. The Torina in the front has just really grown in well. This heuchera on this side is peeking out. More Torina making its way around. So it just really turned out very nicely. I am just so pleased with it. And tucked down inside, that really hasn't seen very much growth, is that little hosta. Just look at it. It just hasn't grown very much at all. Everything else, though, seems to like it here. So here's my question for you. Which part of this shade arrangement do you like best? Tell me in the comment section below. Me, I'm loving this chocolate man begonia. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about cooking and cleaning and laundry and gardening and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust.